Hello everybody. So in my previous video I said, since C# and Java are so similar in that you can actually program in and run both using Termux or Termux, however it's said. I was going to make a follow-up video on how to do this in Java if you don't like C#. I like both of them. I learned Java first in university. And I'm now learning C#. None of you care about this, by the way, but yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into this because it's actually really easy for Java. I think it's actually even easier than C# on, for Termux. So all you need is this program right here, openjdk. So I already have it installed, but yeah, what you do is package install openjdk 17, and this is dated, for, what is today, August, 2022. So as of that date, you install openjdk 17. Maybe in the future, if you're watching this a couple of years from now, it will be 18 or whatever, 19. But yeah, so I already have it installed. I'm going to hit this command. It's already in there. And obviously, just like the C# video, it's implied that you have a text editor like Vim or NeoVim or whatever else you can use on this, Emacs or Nano or whatever. But yeah, so if you don't have a text editor, I recommend Vim. Package install Vim or package install NeoVim. Before you do that though, you're going to want to watch a video on how to use Vim, but I'm assuming if you're using Termux, you probably already know all this. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to make a simple Java file. All it's going to do is say hello world. So vim hello world.java. And let's see if I remember how to do this. So class hello world. And I think I can just go straight into the public static void main string is capital, right? Args. Whoops. And then I have to do what? No. System.out.write ln, right? Hello world. I should have made sure I remember exactly how to do some of this Java syntax stuff before I started this video, huh? Well, let's see if that compiles or not. So then all you do is just javac hello world.java like you're used to. So it didn't compile. Oh, is it print line? Sorry if you're seeing this. Oh, the pizza's here. It's awesome. Yeah, so as you can see, it compiled. I'm gonna do Java hello world, and it worked. So yeah, if you found that helpful, go ahead and subscribe. Let me just go ahead and redo this ending because the pizza wasn't for me, but I'm making this video in the living room, so it got a little bit noisy. Yeah. Anyway, point is, if this video was helpful, drop a comment. If you have any questions, also drop a comment. If you liked the video and it was helpful, drop a like. That helps me out. Subscribe if you want to. I make videos like this fairly frequently. My channel is mostly videos like this, but also guitar videos. So yeah, sorry about the pizza, but yeah, maybe that makes the video more memorable. Anyways, have a great day. Thanks for watching.